Welcome to this video on how to use a Forex journal. As a Forex trader, keeping track of your trades is crucial to becoming a successful trader. And one of the most effective ways to do this is by maintaining a Forex journal. In this video, we will take a deep dive into what a Forex journal is, why it is important, and how to use it effectively to improve your trading performance. So, whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is a Forex journal? A Forex journal is a document or spreadsheet where you record all of your trades. It includes information such as the date, currency pair, entry and exit prices, stop loss, take profit, and any notes or observations about the trade. Why is a Forex journal important? A Forex journal is important for several reasons. First, it allows you to track your progress over time and identify patterns in your trading. Second, it helps you avoid making the same mistakes repeatedly by forcing you to reflect on your trades and identify areas for improvement. Finally, it helps you build discipline and accountability by holding you responsible for your trading decisions. How to use a Forex journal effectively. 1. Start by creating a spreadsheet or document where you can record your trades. You should include columns for the date, currency pair, entry and exit price, stop loss, take profit, and any notes or observations about the trade. 2. Record all of your trades, both winning and losing. This will allow you to identify patterns in your trading and make adjustments as needed. 3. Use the notes section to record any observations about the trade. This can include your thought process before entering the trade, any emotions you felt during the trade, and anything you learned from the trade. 4. Review your journal regularly to identify areas for improvement. Look for patterns in your trading, such as common mistakes or missed opportunities, and make adjustments to your strategy accordingly. 5. Use your journal to set goals and track your progress. For example, you might set a goal to increase your winning percentage or improve your risk management, and use your journal to track your progress towards that goal. 6. Use your journal to build discipline and accountability. By recording your trades and reviewing them regularly, you can hold yourself accountable for your trading decisions and avoid making impulsive or emotional trades. Thank you for watching this video on how to use a Forex journal. We have covered the importance of maintaining a journal, the components of a Forex journal, and how to use it effectively to improve your trading performance. Remember, the key to becoming a successful trader is to learn from your mistakes and constantly improve your trading strategies. And a Forex journal can help you do just that. So, make it a habit to record every trade you make and regularly review your journal to identify patterns and areas of improvement. With consistent use of a Forex journal, you will be on your way to becoming a more disciplined and profitable trader. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Thank you again for watching, and happy trading.